Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to remove the page background color in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show remove page background color. Now going to the page design option. Now for click. Then click for a background option, then click for a no background, that is, and click for more background, then click for no fill option. Now click for OK, that is. Then you show remove page background color, then again process, going to the page design option. Now click for a background option, then click for more background. Now click for a no fill option, that is. Now click for OK, that is. Then you show remove the page background color in Microsoft Publisher is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for